many of the people are there and they feel like for example, today I can see the condition in the class. Two students are absent and Shazia is absent for a long time. I'll tell you one thing, that if you'll be absent like this, you're not going to learn. And if you'll be thinking about the people, you won't get success ever. I was a person from Urdu medium and I started speaking English now. Even I'm teaching here professionals, I would like to tell you, I'm not boasting, I'm not exaggerating myself, but it is what the way of gaining success. If you are not believing in yourself, nobody will believe in you. Same case, success will not believe in you. Your parents will not believe in you. Why? Because you yourself not believing in yourself. Simple. Always remember, nobody is perfect. And what are the perspectives of the people? They'll keep on changing. Because people are what? As changeable as the moon. Am I right?
Yes.
I'll tell you a short story. Then we are going to go ahead and we're going to speak up today. As we have today the speaking day, we are going to speak up one by one, one by one. And I believe so. Miss Tasmia will be the first to speak today. All right.
Yes,
Would like a short story. At least you can understand it. The story is made by me on our real perspectives and the ideas what we are facing day by day here in our life. Apart from this one, would like to tell you, once what happened, there was a rich family, royal family was there, and they used to live in a village. It was a nice royal family, and they had a sword which was 200 years old, and the sword was covered by gold and diamonds. The sword, it was covered completely by gold and diamonds. One day, and the sword was quite old. It was pretty old, and we can say it was 200 years old sword was there. The sword was kept by the ancestors of the person. उस आदमी के जो पुरखों ने वो sword उनके घर में लगाई थी, in the castle, उनके महल में. And the main gate was there of the castle. There was a huge wall. उसके सामने बहुत बड़ी wall थी. And on that wall, the sword used to hang. वो वहां लटकी हुई होती थी sword उस wall के ऊपर. One day, some robbers came and they robbed it. And it was the news which have been in the air. Bad news travels fast. It is a proverb in English. और वो न्यूज जो थी आग की तरह पूरे एरिया में फैल गई. And the people started coming for consolation. आ रहे थे कंसलेशन के लिए. अरे अपने इधर, अरे तुम्हारा लॉस हो गया. So sorry, I'm really sorry to listen this one, all these things, and I felt very bad that your old, your antique sword has been stolen by some robbers. We are feeling very really sorry for this one. So people started consoling them. After a certain period of time, some people came and they asked him, अब अपने यहाँ पे पूछते ही हैं, कहाँ से चोरी हुई? From where it has been stolen? The man said, it was kept on this wall only, and it has been stolen from there. So the people said, अरे पागल है क्या तुम? Are you a crackpot? He said, why? अरे तुमको किसने बोला था इधर वॉल पे लगाने के लिए? वॉल पे रखेंगे तो चोरी होती. घर के सामने वॉल पे लगी हुई तो चोरी होती. He said, no, actually 200 years ago also, it has been kept there for 200 years. अरे पर तुमको समझना चाहिए, आज का जमाना वैसे नहीं है. आपने वॉल पे क्यों रखे थे? आपको उसको अंदर घर में रखना चाहिए था. You should have kept it in your house, inside your house, rather than keeping on the wall, hanging on the wall. He said, all right. The man was completely frustrated. The people kept on coming. The next party was there. They came and they started consoling. Oh, we are really sorry to listen this one, that your sword has stolen. Again, they asked the same question. Where was the sword? कहाँ रखी थी sword आपने? He said, I kept it in the home, inside the home in my bedroom. Arey, you fool. Why did you keep in the home? You should keep it in a cupboard, safe locker. Because if you're going to keep it into the bedroom, people are going to rob it. He said, all right. They went, new party came. Some other people came and they asked him, "Hi, hello, we are really sorry." And they asked him the same question, "Where did you keep it?" He said, "Actually, I kept it in what? Cupboard, safe locker." The people said, "Are you a pea brain? Are you a pillock? पागल है क्या आप? Why did you keep it in safe?" People know, the robber know that people have the precious things in the safe locker. People have the precious things in the cupboards. That's why they have stolen this from the cupboard. After they went, some other people came. They asked him the same question, "Where have you kept it?" This time the man, completely frustrated, he said, "I kept it into the bathroom." They said, "Are you idiot? You should have kept it in cupboard, in the safe locker, rather than keeping in the bathroom. If you're keeping in the bathroom, robber will rob it." That time, the man came to know that I kept it on the wall, even the people were criticizing me. I kept it into the bedroom, people were criticizing me. I kept it into the safe locker, people were criticizing me. I kept it in the bathroom, people were criticizing me. Means what? Ultimately, people are going to criticize you always. However, the condition is, so don't listen to them. Don't listen to their critics. Just avoid them and focus on your own self and believe in your own self that what are you and you can do. Is that clear? So this is the moral of the story, that if you are going to focus on the others, you are not going to focus on yourself. Simple. I would like to tell you one more story which is very short and with the same moral. There was a boy. Once what happened, there was a boy. Uh, Actually, he was a child. He was the child of around 10 years old. His father called him, and one day he said that I don't want to go to mosque. I don't want to pray. मुझे नमाज नहीं जाना, मुझे नमाज को नहीं जाना है, मुझे मस्जिद भी नहीं जाना है, मैं नमाज ही नहीं पढ़ूंगा, वगैरह वगैरह. He has given plenty of the excuses in front of his father. His father asked him why. उसके अब्बा ने भी, देखो हम लोगों को सीखने के लिए क्या मिल रहा है स्टोरी से. उसके अब्बा ने ऐसे नहीं बोला ना, तूने मना कर डालो नमाज के लिए, रुक तेरे को आता हथियार से काट डालूंगा. Be very kind to the people. If you're going to be kind, people are going to follow you. Your children are going to follow you. And if you'll be like this, the furious and the like barbarian, if you're going to be cruel to them, they are going to be cruel to you in future. Who knows? Someday they'll become some kind of thug. So better than that, you can be very normal and very familiar and very friendly to them. So the man asked him, "Why, my baby? Why don't you want to go to mosque? Why don't you want to pray?" He said, "The moment when I went to pray, the moment when I went to mosque, I found there when I was praying, at the time some of the people were there and they were gossiping about the world. They were gossiping about here and there. वो लोग इधर उधर की बातें कर रहे थे. And which I really didn't like. And due to that, my prayer, my worships were getting disturbed. उसकी वजह से मेरी जो इबादत थी, मेरी जो नमाज थी, वो डिस्टर्ब हो रही थी. And I just really felt so frustrated and disgusting that I thought that I won't go ever to mosque. I won't pray now." The father didn't say anything. The father said, "All right, no problem." उसके फादर ने उसको मारा नहीं, उसके फादर ने उसको काटा नहीं उधर से, उसके फादर ने उसको घर से नहीं निकाला. फादर ने देखो दिमाग कैसे यूज किया. Try to use the brain yours. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you the great brain. Use it. ये डोका है, खोका नहीं है. Use it. The father said, "All right. I'm really sorry. Actually, there's a power failure." The father said, "All right." Father ने क्या बोला वहां पर? "All right, no problem at all. If you don't want to go, अगर आप जाना नहीं चाहते तो मत जाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है." The father said, "All right. Can you please get a glass of water?" एक ग्लास पानी का लेकर आएंगे क्या? भरकर लेकर आना है. Just full it. उसको फुल करके लेकर आओ एकदम. The boy got the glass of water, completely full with the water. And he said, "Go to mosque and go around the mosque for once. Go and just have a round over there. एक बार एक चक्कर मार कर आओ. And remember, Even a single drop of water shouldn't fall down from the glass. ग्लास में से एक भी बूंद नीचे नहीं गिरना चाहिए. अगर गिरी तो मैं आपको पनिश करूंगा, अगर गिरी तो फिर आप हार जाएंगे. The boy went across the mosque and got back home, and he said his father, "Yeah, see, here I am, and see the glass of water." The father said, "Okay, that's really great." Now the father asked him, "Oh my son, you've been to mosque. Did you see the people were talking over there? Did you listen to the gossips and all? Did they disturb you?" He said, "How could I get disturbed, or how could I listen to them? How could I pay attention to them where I was paying attention at my own glass?" जब मैं मेरे खुद के ग्लास के ऊपर मेरा ध्यान था, मैं तो ये देख रहा था कि गिरे ना, मैं उनके ऊपर कैसे ध्यान देता था भाई? The father said, and he smiled and said, "Yes, exactly. This is what I want to tell you. If you are going to be focused in your own prayers, in your own worships, nobody is going to disturb you. If you are going to focus in your own self, then you don't have to focus on the other things." So this is what completely easy, that if you are going to focus on yourself, nobody will have to do anything with you. Nobody can distract you. Nobody can disgust you. So this is what, my dear, simple, focus on yourself rather than focusing in any other things. आपने वहां पे अगर किसी की बातें सुनी क्या नहीं सुनी, क्यों? क्योंकि आपका फोकस तो आपकी चीज पर था ना, तो आपको कैसे ध्यान रहेगा? मतलब जब आप नमाज पढ़ रहे थे उस वक्त में आप क्या कर रहे थे? उनकी बातों में ध्यान दे रहे थे, नमाज में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे थे. It is what simple. The moral of the story is what? Focus on yourself rather than focusing anything else. So this is what the simple. I believe if you are focusing on yourself, you're going to learn and learn something great. Is that clear? So I don't want to give you the more and more lecture over this one. I want you to speak up. So first, Miss Tasmia is going to speak up, then the other people as well. And please, nobody will leave. Otherwise, I'll take the biscuits. ये भी high level के cliches में आता है. What do you mean by this one? I'll take the biscuit. Mujahid, my dear. Mufiz, my dear. What do you mean by I'll take the biscuit? आप जाके आज अपने दोस्त को बोल देना, if you don't listen to me, I'll take the biscuits. क्या बिस्किट लेगा? जा ले, मेरे को क्या करने का? कौन सा ले लेना? पार्ले? क्योंकि वो एड़े दोस्त को पता ही नहीं कि मीनिंग क्या है उसका. What do you mean by this? I'll take the biscuits. Yes. ये लेवल का करेक्ट. मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा. वेरी गुड. To be the worst. ये लेवल की इंग्लिश अगर आपके टीचर्स ने भी अगर पढ़ाई, मैं हार जाऊंगा आपके सामने. Alright, let's go. Now, so here, I'll take the biscuit means what? मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा. मैं आपकी खबर लूंगा. Okay? Father बोलते ना, please come home, otherwise I'll take your biscuit. I'll take the biscuit. घर पे वरना मैं तेरी खबर लूंगा उधर आके. Alright, no problem at all. So now we are going to speak up. Yes, Miss Tasmia, can you please turn on camera? Come in the arena. What is the topic today?
So my topic is on an evening.
Evening, good. Would you like me to open that chart?
Yes, sir.
All right. Guys, see, आप लोगों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है, इतना कम इन्वेस्टमेंट के अंदर मिला है. You should be lucky. I believe so. Because ऐसा हमारे टाइम पर भी नहीं हुआ था. This is just a kind of serving. So please try to help yourself to be the best. Getting it? So इसको, ये जो टाइम है आपका, इसको ज़ाया मत करने दो, ज़ाया मत होने दो. इनको आपको यूज़ करना है अच्छे से अच्छे, जैसे आप लोग को कर सकते हैं. And see, if you need any sort of help, I'll be there for you. So just please help yourself to help me, to help your career, to help your parents as well. Evening, 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 evening. Yeah, here it is. Yes, ma'am, continue, please.
Greetings to everyone present over here. This is Tasmia Sheikh, and my today's topic is on an evening. Sounds weird, right? But it's not. Let's go into it. So let me describe you first what is an evening. Now, evening is the period after the afternoon and the beginning of night. That's what's called a evening. So let's start. I usually take a cup of coffee and sit in the balcony and just admire the nature in my evening hours. And the second thing which I do is to just read the diary. That's what makes me feel relaxed. Now, as we are different from the day we were in yesterday, so we think that not in every evening I do the same thing. Sometimes I walk on the terrace and just admire the nature and just see how it's going on. Now, the third thing is, do you now being about like talking about being happy? I spend most of my evening hours with my family because that's what make me feel happy. No, and I don't work or study because it's my evening time. But when we have assignments and projects to be done during my exam time, my schedule gets as tight as a drum. And I'm very particular about my projects and assignments because what I want that I want my assignments and projects to be done as neat as a pen. So according to me, I think most of the young generation nowadays, they want to interact, they want to explore more and more about the peoples. So they go for shopping in the evening times, they go for a walk in the evening times, and they just do the chatting with others. And I was while I was in my childhood, I used to be as stubborn as a mule because I was very arrogant and I loved to tease people because I was very bold at that time. So eventually, when we grow up, when we feel mature, we get to know that people are not the same as they are right now. So we stop interacting with others. That's what I do in my evening times. Thank you.
Good. It was really amazing. And this time you were speaking naturally. I really liked it. And the way you were speaking, it was really good. And I believe so that one day it will come that you are going to speak up unstoppable. And at the end, I will have to stop you there. So this is what
Yeah.
quite good. And I believe so that you were speaking very natural. And I was just trying to find some grammatical mistakes, but I haven't found it where exactly. But there are some. There are some, but not
Yes.
so serious. But there are some which you have to
Mhm.
work on. So I believe so that you can just pay attention those grammatical mistakes over there, like especially with the, especially with some, for example, articles as well. We can just work on. And apart from this one, I believe so that's the way you are speaking. It is really good because this time I felt that you were speaking very naturally. Because see, the
Yes.
people who are just seeing and speaking, they give very, weird impact on the public.
Hmm.
This time you were speaking like that. You are talking to people literally. As you might have seen my videos as well, before I wasn't used to speak like this to the camera, but now this time I'm just speaking that I'm talking to people. Means what? Ultimately, you have to attach to the people. Even see, whenever you are meeting someone, always remember it is not only for Miss Tasmia, it is for everyone over here. That whenever you are meeting someone, it is the first rule of etiquette. Do you know what? You have to lean your body.
Yes.
If there is an
Yes.
opposite gender, you
Hmm.
can just uh, get a little bit in your comfort zone. But if you have the same gender, at the time you can just lean a little more body. Why leaning the body? Because it will give you the great authority to be with the person. Exactly, it is the same that if you are speaking to the people like that, you are talking in real life. Yeah, people go there, people go here, and I love about this one. And I love to go shopping, I love to go trekking, I love to go for these things. Sometimes I go to the market, so you can talk about the evenings much more things. So this was really good, quite good. And I believe so that next time you're going to speak up much more better than this one, or you're going to speak up means more than this one.
Yes,
It was
sir.
really satisfactory
I was going
that
to do
according.
that, but I get nervous. I don't know why.
Oh my god. See, always remember, I told you what people are going to say doesn't matter.
Yes.
You have to believe in yourself. That's it. See,
And sir, I don't get
logo.
enough time today because there are many guests over here. Due to my
Yeah,
result
yeah.
is out. That's why.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So it doesn't matter that what people are thinking and what people are saying. Because see, people don't run our life. People don't come when we are in trouble. They are just for the sayings. So I strongly believe that that life is only for 4 days. Monday, Tuesday,
Yes.
Wednesday, Thursday. Friday is what? The doomsday. Saturday, Sunday week off hota hai. Yes or no? So this is what मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Actually, this is what my own dialogue. जिंदगी 4 दिन की, उसके अंदर हम लोग इतना ज्यादा सोचेंगे तो क्या चलेगा. So be with yourself and means speak with yourself only whenever you have time. So this was quite good and it was really amazing than before. I'm really happy for this one. Keep on
Thank
growing
you
and
so
keep on
much,
learning.
sir. Thank you.
Even better. But keep up. Very good. Yes, who's the next to speak up?
Sarai.
Very nice. This is the boy of my class. Golden. Yes, can you please come on the camera?
Yes, sir.
Cute boy. And see, Mufis, this time I want from your side longer and something greater. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is your topic to speak today?
Reading.
Reading.
Yes.
Wow. Mufis is going to speak on reading. This is quite enchanting. क्या पता भी आज किसी की किस्मत खुल जाए भाई. Good. Continue, please.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Muhammad Mufiz Karnul. I am speaking about reading. I love to read books. I often to read books. I love so many books to read. I like books like Harry Potter stories, Gulliver's, etc. I don't like to read newspaper. I like to read English newspaper. I have to read OPD book. I love to read OPD, Bill Bryson, Alcohol in Space, etc. When I was child, I read textbook of my and some that drawing books, that headings, etc. Where the book is very important for us because we improve our reading. Reading is a very good habit of our life that one needs to develop in life. The books are great to read. uh, when you start reading your experience new world. When you start loving the habit of reading, you eventually get educated to read books. Reading develops language skill and vocabulary. Reading books is also a way to relax and reduce stress. It is important to read books. You want to read books 30 minutes, 1 hour, etc. because your brain uh, becomes good. Books really is your best friends. Reading helps us to think positive things and to make sentence, to make article, etc. Reading is important because it changes our mind, etc. Thank you.
Good. See, this is what exactly you're speaking here. It is what about I can say that you are reading literally, right? And I'm really happy with this that at least you are trying your best. You are trying your best. And I can say see, at this moment, at this time, what's your age now? Can you please tell me?
Sir, 12.
12. See, at this age you are speaking here, so I can say you are going to become a very great gem of public speaking as well. Because at this certain age, you are speaking in English. When I was when I was at your age, I was just in school and I was a punk kid. And I used to think that what people are going to talk about me, and I never used to say even a single word in English. Because I was a person when I went to college in first year, in class 11, I was the person who wasn't knowing even the meaning of the word make. So this is what I can say that at this stage you are speaking at least. See, whatever you are speaking, it matters a lot for me. What exactly are the words doesn't matter here at the moment. What is the grammar? It doesn't matter at the moment, but you are going to build up it. I believe so. So this is really quite good that you are speaking at this stage, and inshallah you're going to grow more, and you're going to learn some great things to give the people as well. I believe so that you're going to become a very good speaker, inshallah. Good, very good. Keep up. See,
Yes,
one
sir.
of the most important thing about I like about you, Mr. Mufiz, is what you have the leadership quality. Do you know what leadership quality do you have? That whenever I ask the people that who's going to speak up, you're the first to there. Yes, sir. मैं बोलूँगा. This is the great quality you have. That please never ever be with anyone who is going to destroy your such qualities. I always say my friends, I always say my students as well that a man is known by the company he keeps, because I strongly believe in it. जिन लोगों के साथ में आप लोग रहेंगे वो लोग के जैसे आप लोग बनेंगे. So this is what I will suggest you to go with this quality, and it was really good. And see the article, if I say according to the article, it was not up to the mark as I wanted, but it was really good that at least you have shared something about reading. But I don't think so that at this period, at this age, that students have the courage of speaking on such topic like reading. So but it was really outstanding, I can say, for me at this certain point. It was really good, and please keep on growing, inshallah. You're going to become the greatest one. And if you
Yes.
have any help, you can just ask me in time. Good, keep up.
Thank
Yes, who's the next? Zainab,
you. Can I?
very good girl. This is what the great tight slap on our community boys. Sorry to say this. Why? Because they are. Can you, Zainab, can you please turn on your camera? The moment when I see people, our community people, opposite Pune College, and I find there, they are just sitting and enjoying, doing nothing. And when at the moment when I see you, it really inspires me to have great community as well in future, inshallah. So I believe so that you're going to boom up too. Very good girl. What's the age?
11.
11. Cool. Very nice. See, at this certain period of time, at this certain age, students are speaking. I'm really happy for this one that if you have the great courage to speak up at this certain age, inshallah, you are going to boom up in future. Good. Keep up with your mind. Keep up with your this such great attitude. Very good. Start now. What's the topic?
Sir, um, home.
Home. You would like to
Family
talk
and friends, sir. Family and friends.
family or friends. All right. People don't know the difference between home and house, and you are going to speak up today about family. Impressive, impressive. यहाँ पे लोगों को अच्छे अच्छे लोगों को होम एंड हाउस के बीच में फर्क ही नहीं पता है. Good. I'm really happy for this one. Good. Keep up. Continue, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zainab Kurnool and my topic is family and friends. I spend my time with my family and especially in evening and night because we drink a coffee and we talk to our family and friends, family. So we are me and my brother and sister play a game or watch a TV, and my in my family there are all close to me. So I prefer my time with my family, not a friends, because in lockdown I spend with my family only, and my best friend is Ayman, and I and my in childhood it's not my friend is there. So I think family is important in our country. So while in lockdown or in any time, we can talk with our family, we can phone with our family. Thank you.
Good. It was really good. Short and sweet. And I saw that you were just trying to collect all the questions and you were just trying to answer them as well. It was really good. And I'm really happy for this one as well. But see, I would like to suggest to Zainab that if you are speaking, you should speak at least 3 to 4, 4 to 5 lines on particular question. The moment when you're going to speak up at least 4 to 5 lines on a particular question, it will give you the great charm to speak up over there. So it will help you a lot to speak more and more. See, you are not going to speak up limited. whatever the sentence is there. For example, do you spend much time with your family? Now you can add there some of the points as well. For example, oh, not exactly, but I do have work, so sometimes I go to the market as well. Sometimes I do my house chores. Sometimes I study in my room alone. So generally, I spend my time with my family at night after dinner. We gossip there. Sometimes we watch TV together. Sometimes we go outside on holidays. Sometimes we go for a picnic on the weekend. So I spend much more time with them at that time. But generally in weekdays, in working days, I don't spend time with them. तो ये क्या, एक 4 से 5 लाइन का एक स्पैम, एक आपका मतलब एक बन गया एक पैराग्राफ, आपने एक क्वेश्चन का एक इतना आंसर दिया, मीन्स व्हाट, इट इज कमिंग अल्टीमेटली, जब आप बोलेंगी तो इतना बड़ा बन जाएगा वो. सो मीन्स अल्टीमेटली व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू से देयर, इतनी सी एक आइडिया तो आपने उसको इतना बड़ा बनाया. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पीकिंग. So you can, it will help you a lot. Good luck. Inshallah, you're going to become the best one. Ameen summa ameen. Good.
Thank
Keep up. Next, Mr. Sahil.
Okay, sir.
Can you please turn on the camera?
Uh, yes, sir. Okay. Hello everyone. Today's my topic is sports. I just don't like sports, but I love sports because it's my
Just a minute.
favorite.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me just open it so we can
Okay,
go accordingly.
Okay, sir.
Sports. Sports. Yeah, here you go.
Okay. Hello everyone. Today's my topic is sports. I like every kind of sport, but my favorite sport is cricket because I just love cricket. I like cricket on TV as well, but more than that, I love to play cricket on cricket ground because there I get to learn so many things. If I am bowler, then I get to know how to bowl on which length, I, and I'm playing with cricket with competitive player, then they will teach so many things. Uh, if I get fail also in front of them, and if I'm playing as a batsman, then I get to learn some technique like our hand-eye coordination. How could we do perfect? And cricket is a favorite sport in India, as we all know, and most of the people play cricket to keep fit and mentally as well as physically. Um, and I'm playing cricket since my childhood. That's why it's my passion also. I don't think it would be possible or not, but in future, I think that I will play for my country also. And that's it, sir.
Okay. It is your first time, right?
Yes, sir.
It is really good. At least you're trying your first time. It was really awesome, I can say, because this is what the first beginning. Have you ever spoken like this before on a camera in a class?
No, sir, it's my first time.
Okay, so what medium are you from?
I'm from English medium, sir.
Okay, but have you ever spoken like this on the stage as well?
No, sir. Till now, I don't speak like on the stage.
Okay, so this is what your first time, right?
Yes, sir.
That's really good, and I am really happy for this one that at least you're trying. And I would like to tell you that if you are speaking something, so you should remember we have the three body of an article, okay? And the first body is what? Introduction of yours, introduction of the topic. Second one is what? You're going to give the general information about the topic, likes, dislikes, advantages. And the last one is what? Conclusion. Like this, you can just end the topic, all right? And
Okay,
it was
sir.
really good. And I believe that in inshallah, in coming months, in coming days, you are going to speak up to the mark. I want you to speak up. That's it. And the best version, the best way of practicing at home is what? Just turn on the camera, record your video, and just try to speak up there. Whatever you have in your minds, speak there. Speak there. It will help you a lot. It will give you great chance of speaking. It will help you a lot. So speak up there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Keep up. Keep up. Keep up. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Mujahid. Hello. Mr. Mujahid. Hello. Mujahid, are you listening me? Yes, Mujahid, are you listening me? Okay, Mr. Goss.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, would you like to speak up?
Sir, I would like to speak tomorrow because I am in office.
Okay, you're in office. Okay, no problem at all. So, will you speak anything? Okay, Zainab Mufis would like to give any other article to speak upon?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, Mufis, you?
No, sir.
Okay. Mm, apart from this one, see, I would like to tell you, apart from this one, how could you speak up? मैं आज आप लोगों के सामने कुछ चीजें रखता हूँ, आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा. IELTS की चीज है वो, ओके, जो कि मैंने पहले पढ़ा है, मैंने देखा भी है, मैंने IELTS क्रैक भी किया है. Alright, now I'll come to you by the points of speaking. अब speaking जो होता है in IELTS exam, speaking is what we have the 3 fundamentals to speak upon. हमारे पास में 3 चीजें होती है जिसके ऊपर हम लोग बोलते हैं. Point number one, speaking के अंदर 3 main elements होते हैं. What are going to speak upon? First of all, ऐसे अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो there are totally 12 points. ऐसे पूरे 12 points है जिसके ऊपर हम लोगों को ध्यान रखकर बोलना है. But the major 3 elements we have of speaking, those are what? I'm going to share with you. Point number one, whenever you are going to speak up, I'm just talking about the article. कैसा बोलना है वो बात एक अलग है. Speaking कैसा करना है वो, that is different. But what is your topic? How are you going to deliver it? That is what I'm talking here. Point number one comes with the introduction. Now, introduction is what? We have several kinds of introduction. Introduction of yours, आपका खुद का introduction. Introduction of the topic का introduction. Introduction of the several things which are the contents in the topic. टॉपिक के अंदर जो छोटे छोटे कंटेंट्स आपको उसका टॉपिक के अंदर से वो देना है, उसका इंट्रोडक्शन कि भाई मैं आज किसके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ और ये चीज किसके लिए यूज होती है. So point number one comes with your introduction. That how are you giving your introduction over there? जितना पावरफुल आप लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया उतना पावरफुल आप लोगों का आर्टिकल भी रहेगा. I'll tell you one more thing. जैसे कि भी आप लोग कोई चीज का इंट्रोडक्शन आप लोग दे रहे हैं, कोई आपका टॉपिक है, वो टॉपिक को अगर आप लोग को बोलना है और आप लोगों ने उसको एप्रोप्रिएट मैनर से उसको इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया, nobody is going to entertain you. आपको कोई भी सुनेगा ही नहीं, गारंटी है. कोई भी आपको सुनेगा नहीं. क्यों नहीं सुनेगा भाई? क्योंकि उसको समझा ही नहीं कि आपने बोलना क्या था और आपने क्या बोला है उसको. आई गेटिंग द पॉइंट? आपने क्या बोलना था और आपने उसको क्या बताया है, उसको समझा ही नहीं है. सेम केस, इंट्रोडक्शन एक इतना जबरदस्त पार्ट है ऑफ स्पीकिंग. बिकॉज अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई चीज ऐसी है, अभी मैं लोगों के सामने स्टेज पर जाकर खड़े हो गया हूँ और मेरे हाथ में बहुत ही जबरदस्त टॉपिक है, पर मैंने उसको इंट्रोड्यूस ही नहीं किया. आई हैवंट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द टॉपिक टू द पीपल. मैंने वहाँ पे लोगों को इंट्रोड्यूस ही नहीं किया कि भाई मैं टॉपिक क्या बोलने वाला हूँ और वो टॉपिक क्या है मेरा. तो लोग मेरी बात पे ध्यान ही नहीं देंगे, भले से कितना ही भारी मैंने टॉपिक बोला हूँ. इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत जबरदस्त होना चाहिए आपका. कुछ ऐसे भी लोग आपने देखा होगा मार्केटिंग के अंदर, वो लोग करते क्या है कि वो लोग कोई चीज को लॉन्च करने से पहले इतना 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 हवा में छोड़ते हैं उसको, लोगों को एंथुसियास्ट कर देते हैं. ये और बाद में आने के बाद मालूम पड़ा रही ये था। मतलब मैंने अरे यार अच्छा इतनी सी बात थी, इतना उसने इतना उन लोगों को एंथुसियाज इतना मतलब मैंने बेकरार करके रखा है सामने वाले को कि वो लोगों का एंथुसियाज्म जो ये लेवल पे था, टॉप एकदम। और हालांकि चीज ये लेवल की थी। इसको बोलते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन। कि आप लोग इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे करा रहे हैं उसको। आपका इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है वहां पर कि आपने आपकी चीज को इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे कराया। आई टेल यू वन मोर थिंग। डू यू नो एप्पल कंपनी? एप्पल कंपनी पता है कि नहीं आपको?
No.
Sir,
अरे एप्पल कंपनी, आईफोन,
Sir. Yes.
मैकबुक, हाँ। तो जो एप्पल कंपनी है, आपको पता है एप्पल कंपनी का फंडा क्या था जब तक स्टीव जॉब जिंदा था? एप्पल कंपनी यूज्ड टू इंट्रोड्यूस इटसेल्फ बाय द ओनर, बाय द सीईओ ऑफ द कंपनी। उसका जो मेन ओनर था, जो फाउंडर था एप्पल का, स्टीव जॉब्स, वो खुद इंट्रोड्यूस कराता था। पता है आपको एप्पल? यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज ही यूज्ड टू से दैट as I can introduce my company, my product well, nobody can. जिस तरीके से मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकता हूँ, मेरे अलावा मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई मेरी तरह इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकता है मेरी कंपनी, मेरे प्रोडक्ट को। क्योंकि मेरे प्रोडक्ट को मुझसे बेहतर कौन जान सकता है? और सोचो, मतलब उसकी थिंकिंग कौन से लेवल की थी। वो क्या बोल रहा था कि मतलब मेरे प्रोडक्ट को मुझसे अच्छा कौन जान सकता है। तो वो जब इंट्रोड्यूस कराता होगा, सोचो कैसे कराता होगा इंट्रोड्यूस को। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेम केस है। अब कोई चीज़ है, जैसे कि ये मेरी चीज़ है, मुझे इसको इंट्रोड्यूस कराना है, मैं इसको यूज कर रहा हूँ, ये मेरे पास में है, मेरी है, तो इसको मैं अच्छा इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा कि कोई बाजू वाला इंट्रोड्यूस अच्छा करेगा?
Sir, you.
Obviously I'm going to introduce it well. So this is what introduction, point number 1 comes introduction। कि आप लोग इसको इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे करा रहे हैं। अगर आपने उसको टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दिस टॉपिक, लोग बोले क्या है ये, ऐसा नहीं। उसके अंदर अब आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, कुछ कैची लाइंस डालिए। देखो थोड़ा सा आप उसको ग्रूम करेंगे तो ऐश्वर्य दिखेगा आपका वो, और अगर आप लोगों ने उसको मेकअप नहीं करा तो फिर वो बेकार ही दिखेगा। गेटिंग इट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, good evening ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ansari Idrisi. Today I'll be talking about one of the most important thing that people can't imagine even, and it is the backbone of your life. And that's what I'm going to talk about, that people can't survive with this, people can't live with this, and whatever the people are living today, they are living just for this one as well. Now people are just starving, but just people are working hard, people are just doing many other criminal activities just because of this one. Some people are working hard, some people are dying every day just because of this one. And my topic is what I'm going to talk about today, that's what food. Oh, आपने इंट्रोड्यूस ऐसे किया, सब लोगों का अट्रैक्शन खींच के ले लिया अपने पास में। आपको समझ में आ रहा है? लोग बोल रहे हैं यार ऐसे क्या बोलने वाला है, ऐसे क्या बोलने वाला है। Today I'm going to talk about one of the most important thing in your life, the precious things that people are suffering from this since long time. Many of the people, many of the millionaires have died just because of this one, because they didn't know what I'm going to show you today here. लोग बोलेंगे अरे यार ऐसे क्या बताने वाला है। Today I'm going to talk about heart attack. Oh my god, मेरे चाचा भी ऐसे मरे थे। So this is what exactly you are going to introduce it. इसके अलावा आप लोग कुछ और भी कैची लाइन डाल सकते हैं। देखो हम लोग झूठ बात तो कुछ कर नहीं रहे, बोलने का सिर्फ तरीका चेंज किया है। The way of introducing we have changed, otherwise everything is fine, सब बेस्ट है एकदम। So you are going to introduce yourself and your topic in such an appropriate manner that nobody can, and it will give a great charm of listening to your article. Is that clear? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? तो बहुत ही सिंपल सी चीज है कि आपको उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किस लेवल पे करना है। सेकेंड थिंग कम्स हियर, दैट्स व्हाट जनरल बॉडी। जनरल बॉडी, और जिसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन, ये आपका मेन टॉपिक है। इधर मेन टॉपिक मतलब आप क्या बोलने वाले हैं इसके बारे में। अब उसके बारे में आप लोगों ने जो देखा है चीज, उसके अंदर करना क्या है, आपको कुछ चीजें जो आपको इधर अटैच करनी है। पॉइंट नंबर 1, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द ग्रेट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस। इंफॉर्मेशन के अंदर आपको देना क्या है, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द ओरिजिन, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द टॉपिक, कहाँ से आया, क्या आया। यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द अचीवमेंट ऑफ द टॉपिक, कि मतलब इसका अचीवमेंट क्या है, कहाँ था, कैसा था, क्या किया, कैसा हुआ, क्या क्या है ये टॉपिक के बारे में। यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द एडवांटेजेस एंड यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द डिसएडवांटेजेस। of the topic. You can talk about the features and functions. Features and functions. आप फीचर्स और फंक्शंस के बारे में बता सकते हैं उसके, बहुत कुछ चीज़ आपके पास में बोलने के लिए. And you can talk about the great things about the topic. उसके कुछ ऐसे amazing facts आप लोग बता सकते हैं. You can talk about their amazing facts. ऐसे amazing facts आपको बताने हैं जिसको सुनने के बाद में सामने वाले के तोते उड़ जाना चाहिए. समझ में आया? This is what you can talk about general body. अब सी, अगर आप लोगों ने इंट्रोड्यूस अच्छा किया तो लोग उसको सुनेंगे भी उतने अच्छे से. जब सुनेंगे तो उसको आपको एक्सप्लेन इतना भारी करना है कि लोग उसको देखते रह जाने चाहिए. ओ माय गॉड, क्या बोल रहा है ये, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ये था वो था ये था. जब कोई इंसान जब कोई मार्केटिंग करता है, देखो ध्यान दीजिए, जब कोई मार्केटिंग करता है कोई कंपनी की, कोई कोई प्रोडक्ट की, उसको मार्केटिंग करने के बाद में लोग जब उसके पास में आते हैं तो कुछ एक आस रख के आते हैं. They are coming up with some enthusiasm that we are going to learn, we are going to get something great. And if they are coming to you, if they're coming to you, then you should give them the great gem. Slide बंद करो. You should give them the great gem. आप उनको एकदम ऐसी जबरदस्त चीज देना चाहिए कि जिसका उन लोगों ने सुनने के बाद में ही उनके तोते उड़ जाना चाहिए. वो बोलेंगे ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या था, मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था, है क्या नहीं? So this is exactly you're going to talk about then. General information, general body of the topic. The next one, you are going to talk about the third thing is what? Literally, that's what conclusion. अब conclusion होता क्या है? What is conclusion? Conclusion होता क्या है? नतीजा. Conclusion means what? The results. कौन सा रिजल्ट होता है ये?
Final result.
Means what? Ultimately I can say the results and the summary. कि आप लोग क्या करना चाहते हैं, आपने बोलना क्या चाहते हैं, आपका मैसेज क्या है इसके बारे में, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं, क्या इसका आपका टॉपिक का मकसद था, आपने क्यों किया, क्या बताया इसके अंदर, क्यों था, कैसा था, क्या था. ये कंक्लूजन इतना बड़ी चीज है. अब देखिए फॉर एग्जांपल, आपने कोई एक टॉपिक लिया, वो है रीडिंग. रीडिंग के आपने ऊपर बहुत बड़ा लेक्चर दिया, बट जो मेन थीम है उसकी कि आपको क्यों पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या पढ़ना चाहिए, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए, वो आप लोग बताएंगे कंक्लूजन के अंदर. क्यों पढ़ना चाहिए, कब पढ़ना चाहिए. लोग क्या करते हैं कभी कभी, they don't read the whole book, they don't listen the whole story, they go at the end and they see the conclusion. So conclusion is the best thing. अगर क्या पता, अगर आप लोगों ने जनरल बॉडी में अगर इतना नहीं दिया है, in the conclusion if you're going to give the great things, they're going to learn from you, they're going to clap for you. सिंपल सी चीज है. सो कंक्लूजन बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है. उसका समरी, उसका रिजल्ट मीन्स व्हाट, अल्टीमेटली यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड देयर सम पॉइंट्स इन कंक्लूजन. दैट कंक्लूजन ये है कि आपको उसके अंदर आप बता सकते हैं डूज एंड डोंट्स. उसके डूज क्या है, उसके डोंट्स क्या है, आप ये बता सकते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? डूज एंड डोंट्स क्या हो सकता है उसका. देन व्हाई शुड यू डू दिस, व्हाई गो फॉर दिस, आप इसको क्यों करना चाहिए, आपने ये क्यों करना चाहिए, आपने ऐसे क्यों करना चाहिए, उसके डूज एंड डोंट्स क्यों करना चाहिए आपने. एंड लास्ट में आपको उसको बताना है उसके यूनिक की पॉइंट्स. ये की पॉइंट्स क्या होते हैं कि आपने टॉपिक लिया था तो लिया क्यों था, और वो टॉपिक का मकसद क्या था, और वो मकसद पूरा होने के बाद में आपको करना क्या है. यूनिक की पॉइंट्स को आप लोगों को वहाँ पे लेना है और उसको उसके बारे में आपको बताना है. सिंपल. सो ऐसा आप लोग एक IELTS के अंदर जब हम लोग देते थे स्पीकिंग टेस्ट के अंदर, तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पर ये 3 चीज़ों को बोलना होता था जो कि मेन रहती थी हमारे लिए वहाँ पर. सो दिस व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई कैन टेल यू. मैं IELTS के बारे में इतना बारे में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज सी IELTS जो है एक टॉप लेवल की एग्जाम है. हर कोई बंदा उसको क्रैक नहीं करता है अच्छे स्कोर के साथ में. Getting it? So I believe that if you are going to have such things, then you are going to become a very good public speaker. Because जिसने IELTS के अंदर बोल दिया, जिसने IELTS के लेवल पर बोला, जिसने IELTS के टॉपिक्स के ऊपर बोला, I believe that person is going to boom up. वो इंसान फ्यूचर में जाके टॉप लेवल पे खेल सकता है वो. I believe so. Is that clear? So I want you to speak up more and more. And see, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि फ्राइडे का तो जो दिन हो रहा है हमारा, उसके अंदर हमारा थोड़ा टाइम पास हो जा रहा है. उसकी वजह ये है कि स्पीकिंग में हमारा ज़्यादा हाथ नहीं है अभी. मैं सोच रहा था स्पीकिंग डेली एक इंसान का लेंगे हम लोग. एवरी डे वी आर गोइंग टू टेक स्पीकिंग ऑफ वन पर्सन. तो देखेंगे उसके अंदर कितने लोगों का चांस आता है, कितने लोगों का चांस. हर दिन पे उन लोग को एक एक चांस मिलेगा. ऐसा रखते हैं. एवरी फ्राइडे का थोड़ा सा ऐसा टाइम पास जैसा लग रहा है मुझे. So better than that, we are going to learn something there, and we are going to have great sessions every day. So every day we are going to speak up, and the flaws are there. हर एक इंसान को एक दिन चांस मिलेगा. आज इसका टर्न है तो कल उसका टर्न रहेगा, परसों उसका टर्न है तो परसों उसका टर्न रहेगा. Okay? So every day we are going to have one person to speak up over here.
Every
उसका
Friday, sir.
No. Every day. Every day.
Sir, we will tell names.
So Monday who's going to speak up?
Sir,
Okay. Mufiz is going to speak up on Monday. So last के 10 minutes हम लोग उसी के लिए रखते हैं फिर. Okay?
yes, on Tuesday आए.
Sir, Wednesday आए.
Very good. Monday, Mufiz. Tuesday, Zainab. Wednesday, Sahil. Thursday, Mujahid. Okay, we'll decide on Monday once again. Okay? So on Monday, Mufiz is going to speak up. Tuesday, Zainab. Wednesday, Sahil. Further, we'll decide on Monday. Okay?
Friday, sir.
Okay, Friday, Gauss.
I will. Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem at all. So please keep on practicing at home, and if you have any questions you can ask me. So अभी हम लोग ऐसे टाइम पास ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे. मंडे से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक बंदे को लेकर बोलना स्टार्ट करेंगे. देखते कौन कितना क्या बोलता है. Alright? We'll see you next time on Monday. Happy weekends. Cheerio.
Cheerio, bye bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye, cheerio.